We got a long day ahead of us, y'all. So the plan right now is to literally just get dressed and leave. So it is currently 6:42 in the morning. I got all these sandwiches and stuff packed. And right now we about to dip out and we about to go meet up with the homies and then we driving. So, well, I'm damn sure not driving there with no shirt on, so let me put a shirt on. Shirt is on. I just don't got the energy right now, bro. It's fucking not even 7 a.m., bro. I slept, what, 2 hours at most? Because I was up all night doing homework, making sandwiches. So, that's my fault. Oh, well. But, let's go to the car. Got everything. Got the sandwiches, got my camera bag, got bottles of water for everybody. Also, what I mean by everybody, so for like what, the last month or so, a friend of mine he been collecting people who drive 86s like fucking Infinity Stones. 86s is my car, the FRS Toyota 86, the Subaru BRZ, same thing, the triplets. And he's been collecting people, which is crazy because holy shit, we building our own little group. My boy Julio collected, not collected, that sounds crazy, but my boy Julio ran into a bunch of people one by one, started inviting them. So now we got our own little group of 86s. And it's pretty cool. Right now we at what? 10 people? 10, 11 people? I don't think everyone is showing up to this little meet thing, this little cruise that we're about to drive. But I think it's like 6 of us. Stop. Don't fucking start. We gonna drive there. See y'all when we get there. All right, we pulled up to the first location. There's my boy right there. Good shit. So we got a red Toyota GR86, white Scion FRS, and we got a red Subaru BRZ. All fucking 1 first gen, 2 second gens. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that recorded?
Yeah. 5 of us. There's gonna be a lot more people here, but this is part of my little section, our little crew. So we got 2017 Toyota GT86, 2013 Scion FRS, 2025 Subaru BRZ, 2022 Toyota GR86, 2025 Toyota GR86, manual, automatic, manual, automatic, automatic. So yeah, I got all these damn leaves on my car. Like, I'm the only person with leaves in this car? Damn. This is crazy work. I got leaves under the hood and shit, like. Bah! Alright, some more people pulled up. We got our crew. Then we got 2 more that joined right there. And we got 3 more that joined right there. Then we got somebody that just left from right here. He went to go get gas. So he'll be back. I think we're waiting for like 2 or 3 more people. And then yeah. This is you're at 2022?
2025.
2025 Toyota GR86 Hakone Edition. Hakone Editions always come in this dark green with the brown stitching on the seats. So, and then we have the Scion FRS, that's Toyota badged. Alright, so
We out.
we pulling out. Pause. We got everybody just driving. So I'll see y'all when we get to the destination. I'm not gonna record because it's like an hour and a half away. So alright, y'all. We made it to the first location. We are in Stamford, Connecticut right now. We got Juliet's car right here. We got Julio's car, Alejandro's car, Leo's car. We got my car. So yeah, look, damn. So let's take a look at all the cars. We're gonna start from this side. at the second spot, and everyone's here. So the first spot, everybody went go-kart racing. I didn't participate because I just didn't feel like it. And now we're at the second spot where everyone's meeting up at, and we're all looking at cars and everything. Got Julio, Alejandro here. We got this shit right here. This shit is pretty fucking cool. Excuse me.
Hello, how are you?
Excuse me. We got this black GT86. I really love this one. If I wasn't so scared to make my car all black, I would definitely go with this build. But I don't know.
Silver.
I'm not making my car silver,
Why?
Andy.
Why wouldn't you make it silver?
You know what I actually might do?
What?
Dark wine red. The same color as yours. Just a little bit darker.
No, it doesn't deserve it.
What the fuck does that mean? It doesn't deserve it.
That color's reserved for
Use a hating ass
Deserve
bitch,
cool
bro.
color, right?
Yo, use a hating ass bitch, bro. Hating ass nigga, bro. Hey, it's on some. It doesn't deserve it.
It's a poverty color.
My car is not a poverty car. Fuck nugget.
My platform is a poverty.
My platform is a. He said the A6 platform is a poverty platform.
I hear no objections.
No object. Y'all not gonna defend the fucking title? You laugh like this shit's funny, bro. What the fuck? He said the A6 platform. I forgot what he said. What did you say about the A6
Poverty platform.
It's a poverty platform.
I don't even know what it is.
I'm very disappointed. I just want to let you know this is the walk of disappointment. The walk of shame. I'm walking away. You're a fucking disappointment. Security's right there, and that's not a good sign because we are being kicked out. What happened? Literally don't know what happened. It was quiet.
I'm slowly making this.
Nothing happened. So why don't know, this is also not a private lot either. It literally says public parking. There are signs like over there. So there's a third spot that we going to. So we're just gonna head over there. All right, we'll see y'all there. Third location. No more BMWs. Goodbye BMWs. We got kicked out. So we're here.
Now we at a church.
Yep, now we're at church. We're holy over here. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Alejandro? We're holy over here because we're at church.
Yes, sir. It's time to pray.
Let us pray. You not praying? You not gonna pray, Julio?
I will pray.
Where the fuck did Andy go?
What?
Did you pray today?
Did I pee?
I said, did you pray? Where the fuck did you get pee from?
Were you the guy that texted me before?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Somebody with a Geo Corolla texted me saying if other cars can come.
Oh, yeah, that was me. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, bro.
This is nice.
He got the fastest car to everybody here.
manual.
It's an automatic.
I want to track it.
They make them in auto?
It's auto, yeah.
I didn't know they make them in auto.
Yeah, you didn't like?
I would have gotten this then.
Get the fuck out of here. No, you wouldn't have. These things blow up more than this.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that 8.6 slam you was talking about earlier.
Catch on fire.
Kaboom.
Only three of them have blown up.
Kaboom,
I don't
nigga.
know. I think it was more.
Nigga.
Oh, no.
Is this rap?
This is full carbon fiber. It comes like that.
Yeah. He been flexing that shit for like since he got it.
Once, and
You did not flex that shit once. You flexed it ever since you got the car. Months ago. Months ago, nigga. Stop playing with me, cuz.
It looks like
It
a
looks
matte
like
wrap.
it looks like plastic.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a matte wrap.
But that is carbon fiber.
I think you're lying to me.
I'm not lying.
I think you're lying to me now. You say that's carbon fiber?
Does this look like carbon
All my body
fiber?
panels are carbon fiber.
It
Mine
look like
came like that.
shit like my elbows.
Fuck you.
Like my elbows without lotion, bro.
Huh?
Like my elbows without lotion. Ashy.
You think I'm gaslighting you?
A little bit. Why does it look like
Ashy.
plastic or like a matte
I
wrap?
don't know. Everyone's sure has that when they just get it. Some people like do some shit to it to make it like shiny. I don't know how they do it, but
They compound polish it. They sand it down. It's just. Oh, is it like
Pretty sure I didn't show you guys all the signatures. My name's not on here yet, but it will be. Before the night's over, my name will be on that car, I promise you. You have a stock FRS. I always wanted a black one. Truth be told, this is gonna be my first tattoo, the 8.6 logo.
yeah, but I'm talking about that.
This is what I was talking about. In that video where I installed my taillights, look at this bullshit.
Maybe I didn't have shit. I got all those pain out of my life by the time I was like 25. Because I stopped drinking when I was 17. All the pain. I just got it. It was like this whole stockpile. I had it like
Yes, sir. See, I would have bought my camera, but my dumbass can't find a charger. So I got
new chargers.
like, bro. So I just have this fucking Action 4. I don't even know. Like, we just here. We just here. Like I'm some fucking child predator, bro. Chill out. He got your what? What did you just say?
You got my throat hard.
What the fuck is
How
that?
does my throat get hard?
Yo.
It's hard.
Alright, that's a wrap for this location. We're getting kicked out again.
I don't know if I can.
There's no other place that we're going, but yeah, Julio, that's you. You're our tour guide because we're going to your places.
No, you just. I just.
I don't know if I have enough money for gas or not. That's the issue.
Just real quick, and then.
I can pay back tomorrow if you can.
I don't, bro.
You don't have anything.
No.
Let me see.
I paid for gas. I bought ingredients for sandwiches.
That's true.
You don't have a credit card?
No.
Why don't you have a credit, bro? You're a grown ass man, bro.
Mine's back.
Damn.
It's alright though.
What do you say?
His credit card is maxed.
45.
Hey. Fuck yourself. Fuck you.
What did you say?
I stuttered, all right? So I got mad.
Putter.
Does anybody want to help a nigga out with gas?
He was talking mad shit about
Right, you was talking mad. You was talking mad shit about 86s, and now you don't got no gas. Fuck, nigga.
I used to own one. I love my 86.
Nigga. Fuck, nigga. All right. All locations are done, so we got our own little location where we're not gonna get kicked out of, and it's just 5 of us. Not the starting 5. Juliet had to go, but we got Ravi, and this is what we're working with right now. Look what we got.
It's like charging. But it's not. Like it like charges.
So yeah. That's it for this video. I had fun today. I had a lot of fun. I know I probably didn't show you guys much because there really wasn't much to show. We just pulled up, parked, chilled, and I just drove. Showed you guys some cars. I drove all this way just for a car meet, and I will do it again. So with that being said, bye. Fuck, get out my face. Ooh, look at the view.